Welcome back. We will briefly discuss the Byzantine Generals problem. Satoshi Nakamoto was the first to solve the Byzantine Generals problem through the creation of the Bitcoin protocol using a proof-of-work consensus algorithm. The Byzantine Generals problem is a game theory problem in computer science that has stumped many smart computer scientists around the world. At the most basic level, the Byzantine Generals problem refers to trust. How can computers, that are spread around the world, communicate with each other in a coordinated way that they are able to trust each other and accurately verify the information they receive from each other? This trusted communication occurs even while there are computers that are trying to introduce a computer virus into the global computer network to distract the computer network from being able to communicate with each other in a trusted manner. The globally distributed computer network can maintain trust with each other without relying on a trusted central organization. Another way to refer to the trust between the globally distributed computers is to say that the globally distributed network of computers reaches a consensus among themselves without needing to rely on a separate, centralized organization to verify what the globally distributed computer network can verify for themselves. A bank is an example of a centralized organization that is trusted to provide accurate information without independent verification. A centralized organization, such as a bank, does not solve the Byzantine Generals problem. Conventional currency requires trust in banks, including central banks. A person goes to the bank or logs into their bank account, and they are trusting that the bank's computer accurately and truthfully represents the amount of money they have trusted the bank to hold in the form of a bank deposit. Bitcoin is the first realized solution to the Byzantine Generals problem with respect to money and the ability for value to be transferred anywhere in the world, without the need for a trusted third party, centralized organization, verifying the transaction. Bitcoin uses a blockchain to manage ownership in a trustless manner and prevent double spending of the Bitcoin transferred across the Bitcoin network. A blockchain is a public, distributed ledger which stores a history of all transactions. In the Byzantine Generals analogy, the truth that all computers must agree to is the information held by the blockchain. Another way to refer to the globally distributed network of computers in the Bitcoin network is to refer to them as nodes. If all the nodes in the Bitcoin network can agree on which transactions occurred and in what order, they could verify the ownership of Bitcoin and establish a functioning, trustless currency without a centralized authority. The proof-of-work consensus algorithm is a cryptographic proof that establishes a clear, objective rule set for the blockchain that Bitcoin uses to solve the Byzantine Generals problem.